Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Al Ewer, Fellow in the American Association for Respiratory Care. I'm also the co-editor of the Egan's Fundamentals textbook, as well as two other respiratory textbooks. I'm a professor at Rutgers University in beautiful Newark, New Jersey, and I'm coming to you today under a different role, though, as co-owner of A&T Lectures, to tell you about an exciting event that we have. It's virtual, so it's all online webinar on October 22nd from 4 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The entire session is focused on sleep medicine, with one focused on this particular topic related to alternatives to positive pressure in treating obstructive sleep apnea. So historically, CPAP, or sometimes BiPAP, have been the cornerstone treatment for obstructive sleep apnea. It's still a very, very important treatment modality to address this disease. However, there's other treatments that are emerging, and the focus of this lecture is on those alternative modalities. The learning objectives for this particular presentation are as follows. We'll define and describe apnea and obstructive sleep apnea. We'll review some statistics related to the prevalence of obstructive sleep apnea, the use of CPAP, BiPAP, as well as some of the emerging alternative therapies. Then we'll drill down on these alternatives, basically looking at some of the, if you will, newer modalities that have emerged over the past 5 to 7 years or so. We'll review the impact of treatment, both CPAP, BiPAP, as well as these newer modalities. We'll review a few cases, and then, most importantly, I'll provide you guys with additional resources if you wish to drill down and learn more about this topic. We hope you all will join us for this important 5 CEU virtual event focused entirely on sleep medicine. 5 CEUs from the American Association for Respiratory Care. Again, it's on October 22nd from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you are joining us from other time zones, just make the appropriate adjustments. 5 CEUs, a great value for a mere $30. To register, you can visit our company website at www.atrespiratorylectures.com, or you can click on the link in red here, which will take you right to the event itself. We hope you all will join us, and we hope you all have a great day.